4, 5.
Kayo na lang.
Kakasya naman ata tayo hapa.
Wait lang.
Doon sa likod para comfortable.
Ma.
Mag-ualik. Sa likod ka na. Sa likod ka na. Gwapo niyo. Tamad.
Korean.
Ha?
Yung TikToker kasi yun.
Tingis mo na po. May ano ka, Ford? Or else sasagalan kita?
Ano?
Minsan,
우회전입니다.
Ayoko nga. July.
Talaga.
Gago meron pa.
Very wifi.
Lobat ka din ako eh.
Magbabalag tayo.
200m 앞에서 우회전입니다.
Bye-bye, Louie.
Excuse me. Just confirm. We're going here?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
Here is Santa Mesa?
Yes.
야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. 코리아예요, 코리아.
Are you Korean?
네, 한국 사람이에요.
Do you speak English?
응?
Do
Do you speak English?
Yeah, a little.
little.
Yeah.
Diba?
오. 와.
Uy, Shibal!
Oh,
bad.
no.
That's bad. That's bad.
Ano meaning ng Shibal? Bad word yun.
It's very, yeah. But,
Not good.
야, 학생이에요? You student? 학생이에요? Student?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
where you study? Where?
From National University.
National University. NU.
Yeah, NU.
Yeah, NU.
You've been here in the Philippines for how many years already?
Oh, 3 years and
3 years?
5 months.
Oh.
And 3 days.
And 3 days.
Yeah.
Specific.
Yeah.
How's the Philippines so far?
Actually, Filipino are friendly people. I like the food, street food. Street food? Yeah.
We also like Korean food.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we enjoy it so much.
Oh, Korean food예요. 맛있어요. Yeah.
Yeah.
맛있어. What is it? Delicious? Ito ka lang?
Masarap.
Masarap. Yeah, masarap. Yeah.
Kimchi jjigae is masarap.
Wow.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah, kimchi jjigae. 좋아요.
전방에
I know adobo?
Adobo.
Yeah, adobo. Yeah. College? You study college?
Yeah.
What program?
Communication arts. I actually thought that you're like a K-pop idol. Yeah, because of your hair.
Yeah.
We like your hair.
Korean likes
Yeah.
hair color.
What's your name?
Just call me Mr. Moon.
Mr. Yung.
Moon.
Moon Yung. Yung.
Moon.
Moon Yung.
Im.
Yung, it's like kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Do you have like a Filipino name?
Yeah, I have a Filipino
What's
name.
your Filipino name?
In the app, I don't know how to pronounce. I just choose that name.
Sa app daw, tingnan mo nga.
How about English?
Yeah, that's my English
What's your
name.
English name?
Yeah, that's my English name. Yeah.
What?
I don't know I just chose that name when I came here.
Childbirth.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's my last name is Mul.
Moon.
Mul. That's my last name. In Korean name. My first name is Tok.
Tokmol.
Tok. Yeah, 그런데 이름이요. What is your name?
Louis.
Louis. And how about you? What is your name?
JP.
JP?
Keen.
Keen. Eh?
Keen.
Keen, yeah?
Ella.
Ella.
Alex.
Alex, yeah. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you as
Yeah,
well.
nice to meet you.
회전입니다.
Yeah, Mr. Moo.
Mr. Moon.
That's my last name. My first name is Tok. Tok. So it's Tok. Yeah.
Have you watched the Squid Game season 2 already?
Actually, not yet.
Not yet.
Oh,
It's
yeah, that's
good.
it. Yeah.
Stop!
Really?
출구로 나갔습니다.
Yeah.
Dingle de dingle de.
Yeah. Mingle din.
Yeah, dingle de dingle de.
Do you know some
That's a
Filipino
Mingle
words?
song.
우측
Are you the vlogger?
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가.
Hmm?
Do you vlog?
I don't know vlog.
400m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Vlogger? What's a vlogger?
Siya, parang sisikat ako. I think I'm going to be famous right now.
Yes!
He's a vlogger.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Korean vlogger actually.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, actually, actually, I'm a Korean vlogger. Yeah. Actually, I'm looking here, Filipino singer.
Singer.
Yeah,
Oh,
Alex.
Filipino singer.
Singer.
We sing. We sing.
Yeah, you
Oh,
did.
oh! Let's sing! Wala, malapit na tayo!
Traffic!
Yeah.
Can we go stop over?
And wait.
Wait, ano? Yung ano?
Kompleto may mic.
Oh my God! Yung ano? Yung ano?
Can you drive slow so we can...
Regine?
Yeah.
Hola, shit!
Hey, sound check. Yeah.
Akin ka na lang!
Yeah, actually, I'm a Korean vlogger.
Yeah.
And I'm looking for Filipino singer.
Yes,
here.
we sing.
Yeah. Okay.
As a dreaming of silver and gold, like a scene from a movie where every broken heart knows we're walking on moonlight, and you put me close in tears with you by my side. Scared of relief, and I realize no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you.
Yeah,
I won't take you for granted, 'cause you never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you. When I run out of time, I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Next song. Yeah, one more song.
One more song.
This one is for the boys and the foolishness, brown out AC for the foolishness, red hop on the club and the face is up, bop back on that and he takes it up, and he left the ass to my get it up, the bump up on the little record there, he goes to my top coat, he goes to the air, there's the red one. Can't you hear that boom, 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 bass, like the super bass, boom, 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 bass, like the super
Malapit na tayo, Lex. Urihan mo.
No, I know you stay. No, go away. Oh, you got my heart beating running away. Oh, be like boom, 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 away. And you hear the boom, 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 bass. Oh, you got my heart beating running away. Beating like a drum, it's calling away. Can you hear the boom, 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 boom,
Yeah, you enjoy?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
you happy, yeah.
We'll give you a 5-star.
Yeah, oh, yeah. 감사합니다.
10 stars actually.
Wow!
Yes!
That's very so much.
So, shoutout nga pala sa driver namin ngayon.
Yeah, actually,
감사합니다.
Yeah.
감사합니다!
actually I'm a Korean blogger. I'm not famous. Yeah, only by myself. Blog.
What's your
Daily
YouTube
vlog.
channel?
We'll subscribe.
Talk more.
Can you show us the link or
Yeah, just talk more. More.
Ah, yung name niya.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Ayun, picture mo.
Talk as in dog.
Yeah, talk. And more. Talk more. Here?
Yeah.
Yes, inside. Pwede ba dyan?
Pwede ba?
Drop off lang pa.
Baba mo na lang ito.
Oh, there's security. Kuya,
Or drop off lang.
drop off ko lang sila doon sa loob, sir.
Off lang.
Drop off ko lang sila doon sa loob, sir. Fix and break. Lima.
둥글게 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 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다.
Ay, anim si Juan. Alam ko yun. Doon sa...
Bricks and brew lang po.
Bricks and brew. Ah, meron?
Naninong buhay to. Naloko ka na. Agad kami. Agad bibirahin ka.
Mas lalong nawala yung trash aces ko.
Parang ang hirap dito ta.
Ah, dito na, ha? Ah, sa inyo to? Isa kayo, ha?
Stop the car.
Kuya naman eh.
Oh my God.
Kaway ka muna!
Bilis mo yan.
Eh, kaway sa camera?
Hello.
Camera.
Ano mag-English? Nahuli na nga siya.
Pwede ka dito.
Babaan niyo na ako ngayon na.
Kuya, wala na akong dignidad.
Yeah,
Kuya,
just...
yung effort namin na Korean. Tapos ganun.
Yeah,
Bubuksan ko pa yung
kumsog
Google Translate. Taranta.
So, sino ang...
Wala, 1 star yan, 1 star.
Star ko ba?
I-rate niya. Babayaran pa ba natin?
Oo,
to?
muna.
Doon dumi.
Ayan, tigisa kayo, ha? So, sino ang na-prank? Sino na-prank?
Oy, sino daw na prank?
Babay na.
Ito ang hindi na-prank. Kilala mo ako?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yung
napanood mo
ay
ako.
Kaya pala kinaganon niya si Louie kanina.
Sabi ko, kanina ko, yung pagkabuko pala nakita ko na sa ano,
Hindi na kaya.
namukhaan ko na.
Ay, ito ba yung nagbuhok?
Babayan kapalit dignidad. Di
Bayaran
ba?
mo yan.
Uy, labas mo kaya yan.
Bayaran mo
Galit
yun.
na galit.
siya umupo sa passenger seat. Diba usually ako pinapaupo na dyan?
Bayaran mo. Oo nga, hindi ka nagpupwesto
Kaya
dyan.
nga.
Dalian nyo na.
Bayaran mo.
So, wait lang.
Bayaran mo yan.
Actually, ako isang content creator, no? So, okay lang ba isama ko yung sa aking content? Okay lang? Parang ayaw nyo.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Naman na kami
Maganda naman kami.
So, ayan, baka may shoutout kayo. Ayan.
So, shout out pala sa...
Mm-mm.
Shout out sa mama ko, ma. Dito na ako.
Ayan.
Shout out kay Kuya,
po kay
naloko
Mami
kami
and
doon.
Daddy.
Nasa TV na kami.
Shoutout kay Durick.
Shout out kay Jeremy, tsaka kay Yara dyan.
Ito yung channel ko, no? Ito nag-iisang. Ito yung channel ko.
Ah,
May
sige,
sticker ka ba,
kuya?
kuya?
Vlog po kami.
Ito na lang nag-isa. Sige, bibigay ko sa iyo.
Yes.
So, dahil nakakas kayo, di ba?
Yes.
So, dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Seryoso ba, kuya? Yes.
Pagkawarin ka na namin.
Tama ko yung midterm stick namin na yun.
Stress ba?
Nakakainis ako ba?
Seryoso, kuya?
Wala, sure po ba?
Lahat na napaprank ko pag nakakas, nililibre ko ng pamasahe.
Oh my God!
Sana tinagalan pa natin nung ikot
Ikot pa tayo.
Sana pala sa Tagaytay na tayo nag-book.
layo
Mali na
na.
na, Bo.
Dapat tagay.
Pero, thank you ha.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, kuya.
Thank you po.
Sana iba pa yung
welcome.
upuan, hindi kami makadaan.
Thank you so much.
Tama ko pa sila, Alex.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
po.
po.
Ingat kayo.
Ingat po.
Thank you po.
Mag-aral kayo ng mabuti. Hindi na nasabi ko.
Sabi nila, driver sweet lover, pero si Lodi iba ang estilo. Kay sarap sa alok, nag-iikot sa Maynila, puno ng kasiyahan, kasama sa trip, tawa at kalokohan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano, pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso, pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante, driver na komedyante, walang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan, pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano, pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso, pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyang haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.